So basically, you gotta put right here, and then you select Windows 95 or 3.1. Cause yeah, just make it better. You can put 16.4. Oh, back. This one you can put like small amount. It's not too small or MS-DOS one. So okay, now you will need to install MS-DOS right here into this one. First one, the disk. Yeah. Okay. Now you gotta wait to open. Enter, enter, enter. Enter, enter. When it says this, you have to put the disk 2 into the MS-DOS disk right here. Keep repeating this. Okay, do what it says. Remove all disks. Enter and enter. Now you installed the MS-DOS correctly. Now check the disk and put the CD-ROM. All of this will be in the description right here. As you can see, all of the stuff is right here. You can install it. Just go right here. I'm not close because it's for like I was checking something. There, yeah, it's installed. Now we put the CD-ROM and then say, oh, stop. EA drive and then put install. Enter. You can also change this so like Windows CD-ROM, or you can just put normal. Just let it CD. It's just so you can load the CD drive. Okay, now remove all disks again. Oh, it gave an error. Okay. Now you put the disk of the thing. It's also in the description right here. Oh, right here. It's for Windows. Yay. Now you have to force restart Windows or press Control down. Never mind, you have to force restart it anyways. Now wait, it should say this. Put D drive and put setup. It says it's Windows 3.11, but it's because it's super beta. It forgot to change the setup. Enter, enter, and then wait. Right here, you can put your name, what you want to do to your computer. Cool Cheeky, that's my user. Cool Cheeky PC. Why not? And the work groups, you have to put like nothing because you don't have a work group. You can put anything right here. So if I want to put Roblox, it will work. Yes. Cancel because you don't have a print. And cancel again because it won't work. Yes. Click OK. And then click skip tutorial. If you want to go to the tutorial, just click on tutorial. But you don't need it. Skip tutorial. Click and return to MS-DOS and put Win. It should give you an error because you like you don't have internet in your computer. Okay. And enter we go. Just so you can see, this is Windows right here. There's some extra stuff in this, but it's just some little extra stuff. Some programs may not work, like MS-DOS, but you can just end the session and then do what you want. So yeah, that's how I install it. Make sure to like this video and subscribe because it's basically just this. And it's that easy. This video has like 5 minutes. Yeah, very short for the first video. Anyways, bye.